Hey you guys, I am back with a giveaway, and the first thing I'll be giving away is this two-tier tray that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I decided to give this away so you guys could have your own two-tier tray in case you're gonna decorate it. I think it is a great gift idea because if you don't have one, there's one here for you. The next thing that I'll be giving away is this little sign set made with love. Now I got this at Hobby Lobby and it was $3.99. I decided this would be perfect for a Valentine's giveaway and to start off your tray. It sits perfect on the tray and it could be the first thing that you're going to add on there, and then you could customize it any way you want. The next thing I'll be giving away is the 7-piece heart picks. I thought this would be perfect for a DIY or maybe just to put around your tray, around your house. And then I'll also be giving away the smaller ones that come in 9. So you get the 7 and the 9. So these are two sizes. You get the small and the large heart picks. So those are great for your DIYs. The next thing I'll be giving away is this 30-piece doily, and they are in the heart shape. I thought these were so cute, especially for if you're going to make something with your kids. They are going to love it. The next thing I'll be giving away is this 15-piece of heart stickers, and these are like a 3D pop-up. So these are pretty cool. These are going to be great for the gift cards or gift letters. Next thing is this 25-piece sticker. I thought these are really cute for DIYs and crafts and anything you're gonna make for Valentine's. I'm also giving away the 40-piece, and these are adorable. These are also like a 3D, they kind of like pop up. I'll be giving away different hearts. This is a 32-piece, and I'm also gonna give away the solid red in a 32-piece. I thought that would be very great, especially for your letters. I'll be giving away a 10-piece treat bags in case you're going to be making goodies for the little ones. I thought that was a cute color, especially for Valentine's, in pink. I'll be giving away this stamp, and you get 3 of them. No, you actually get 4 of them and a washi that matches it. So it's like a cactus, and I thought this was really cute. So you get the stamps and you're going to get the washi tape to go with it. So that's just a plus I threw in there. I'm also going to go ahead and give away this bag. I thought it was so cute. I got it from burlapfabrics.com. And you could just throw all your stickers in there and just throw all your little arts and crafts in there. I thought that was adorable. Or you can go ahead and give it away to somebody as a gift as well. But yeah, this was some burlap fabrics, and it's a 7 by 11 by 4. So not too bad. It's pretty cute, and you could fit a couple of goodies in there. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, because if you're not, I won't be entering you in the giveaway. It's a must. So yeah, go ahead and make sure you are subscribed to my channel for this giveaway, and comment down below. I want you to comment a little heart emoji and just comment the word love, and you'll be entered in this giveaway. You know the rules. If you find me a subscriber, you'll be entered twice. And go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and post this on my Instagram. If you want extra entries, the rules will be on my Instagram like always. But yeah, comment down below a little heart emoji. And yeah, good luck. I hope one of you wins all these goodies. I'll be sending it out soon. So I'll put the rules down below. And until next time, bye you guys.